Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about colors in SwiftUI. Let's open Xcode, create a new project, a single view app, and let's name it Colors app. And let's choose the user interface as SwiftUI. Before we start, let's talk about color initializers. First we have color RGB. This initializer returns a color view with a color and opacity defined by the attributes. The opacity value you can ignore. For example, this code created a purple view with a width size of 200 and a height of 200. How do we know what RGB amount do we use to determine our colors? I recommend using a color picker. For example, I downloaded an app called Drop. Drop informs me of the RGB values for the colors I need. It is a paid app. However, there are free resources that are available. For example, let's search Google extensions and search for Colorzilla. As you can see, Colorzilla is a color picker that tells you the values for RGB. Next is color properties that return a predefined color. Colors like black, blue, green, orange, pink, primary, secondary, and more are examples of color properties. In this example, we'll use a color property red to turn our view red. However, what if our phones are in light mode or in dark mode? We can adjust the colors by using dynamic colors. Dynamic colors can change based on your phone appearance. To use dynamic colors, we go to our assets folders, click on the plus button, and create new color set. And then let's put the name as my color and change the appearance to any dark. Let's choose orange for light mode and purple for dark mode. Let's go back to our code and test this out. Let's change the content view to content view.environment's color scheme dark to change our iPhone simulator to dark mode. Let's change color.red to color parentheses my color to use our dynamic colors. As you can see, our color changed by using dynamic colors based on your phone appearance. In this example, our color changed from red to purple when our phone's in dark mode. However, it switched back to orange when I changed it back to light mode. Next is foreground color. This modifier assigns a color view to the view content. For example, let's replace our code with text hello world, font large title, foreground color red. This changed our text to color red. Next is background color. This modifier assigns a view to the view background. Let's replace foreground color to background parentheses color dot red. And as you can see, this modifier changed our background red. Thanks for watching. I hope I see you next time.
Thank you for watching. Follow us at